This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Billy Cantrell. Rarely on the market. Best location overlooking water. Largest 1-bedroom 1-bath open floor plan on first floor. Attached 1-car garage plus 1 additional space. Private breezeway entrance to mailboxes. Gated community centrally located to the beach, fantastic restaurants and world-class shopping. Rentals allowed 2x per year. 2 pets welcome. No waiting period to lease. Low condo fees include a beautiful clubhouse, fitness center, tennis courts and on-site manager. This will not last. For more information, review the details below.